wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off.
Don't forget to breathe. Very important.
Wax on, wax off. Ugh. Now, pew.
Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off.
First of all, I'd like to say sorry for not being able to upload, but due to our move, we're still kind of in the limbo, so hopefully that's all sorted and I'll be able to upload again at least once a week. With all this move, we also received a landing pad from Freewell, which I think is the best thing to have.
Wait, Mom.
What?
Listen, don't talk.
Okay, I won't talk. Okay.
Okay, we got a special present for you. Okay? Wait, where's the present? What?
Okay.
Really?
Oh. A compact landing pad from Freewell. Thank you, Harry. It's very, very kind. Thank you. Okay, let's open this one up. They all packed it, didn't they? Yeah. Let's get it out. And it is. Pull it. Oh, it's in a bag. That's a nice little bag. Isn't it nice?
Oh,
Yeah, and it says Freewell on top. Yeah, pull it. Voila la. This is actually nice.
Who's that?
Yeah, I like that.
Who's that?
And the beauty is that there's no pegs needed to attach. So it's quite heavy.
Is it?
Yeah, there's like pads inside or something, so you can't.
That's not heavy.
No, it's not heavy, but it's heavier than. It's heavier than the other one. So the thing is now just to remember to bring this with me. Isn't that right, little man? So fold it. Aha! How easy is that? It's cool. It's like a book.
I say this will be really good for the drone.
Yeah. Is it like a book to school? Bye!
Bye.
I can just kind of like attach here, is probably the best, through this hook. We went out to test to see how it works in the action. We have come out at this place. It's a Connell's pub. A Guinness ad was made for that, and I'd like to take a flight here. It's quite windy. The weather hasn't been great at all, so but I'm going to try and chance it. If I can't, I'll just land.
Hello, camera.
Okay,
Where
go
are you?
up them steps. Off you go. Come on.
Go.
Don't fall now.
1,
Do not
2,
fall. Okay.
3.
I don't know how. It's okay there. Go on. Okay. Here I come. Okay, here I come. What should we find in there, Buzzy?
No, just rocks.
Just what?
Rocks.
Rocks? Is the camera real quick? Wow. Oh, that's the same spot just from the other side. Yeah. See? No, the other side. Yeah. Let's use the orange side. Okay, let's see how well this performs, because there's a very high grass, as you can see. So let's see how it works. It's kind of sunny, so it's a ND16 polarized 4K. Okay. Goodness me, I'm terrified flying in this wind. Very windy, but I think I'm getting something nice.
You can see me up here.
Yeah, don't fall down because it's very high.
Hello.
Hello. What's your spot? Oh, what? Oh, steps. Okie dokie, wait for a second. Just wait for a second.
Yeah.
Do not let me go first. Hold on.
Oh, no.
Yeah. To go all the top. They're not very safe to go there, Buzzy, look.
Huh?
It's not safe to go there because it's all crumbled. See? But you can peek out a little through here, look.
Yeah.
You can see the green fields.
Yeah.
Jack, no more up. No more, Jack, no more up. Our bug's there.
Yeah, we're high.
There's the Guinness ad that was made in that pub over there.
We're the king of the world.
You're the king of the
Oh,
world.
there's golf.
Never saw that one. Okay, maybe we should just sit down here for a second.
Yeah.
Wait, sit on that, the lower step. No, over there. This one. Yes. Sit down there.
So where are you going? The one more person that you forgot.
What is it? Spider-Man? Spider-Man can just fly.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Now,
He's kind of boring.
yeah, it's kind of boring. We can see some horses down there.
Where?
There, look,
Wow.
2 horses.
I can see a house there.
Yeah, there's loads of houses. Sit down, please. This is our kind of first day out since the last time I've uploaded a video.
Have you been here a long time ago?
We were here a long time ago with the different drone, and the footage wasn't that great at all. It was just
You mean the white big drone?
the white big one, yeah.
Not a plan.
Hmm?
I got a plan.
You got a plan? What's the plan?
Okay. You stay here and I'll go all the way downstairs on my sofa and then I'll come back up, okay? And say, wait, where's Jack?
No, it's not safe to do that.
Do you want to get down?
Will we go down? Come on, let's go.
Sorry.
Slowly, slowly. Are you holding on to something?
No, let me go.
Are you okay now?
And now you stay there and,
Yeah.
and let me go.
Careful.
Then go
Yeah,
back down.
come on. Careful. Oh. Now grab this. Grab that. Yeah. Ah. Come on. Have a look what else is around here.
Here, Bob. Here.
See, have a look, peek in here.
Yeah, but the gate is locked.
I know. You can't get in. Wonder what was this for? Hello here. Okay, hold on, wait. Okay, walk up. Go on, walk. Let's walk over here. Where else we go? Go on. There's a little path here. Yeah. Is this just beautiful all behind me? Just green, beautiful fields. We're in County Meath.
I'm hungry.
Are you hungry? I'm frozen?
Yes. Maybe a burger? What?
Do you like the beautiful countryside smell? It's quite distinct, isn't it? Just say yuck.
Yuck.
There's quite a lot of farming where we are, so the distinct country smell, he doesn't like it. Hold on. Okay, do you want to go first? Yeah, you go first. Hold on to the ball.
Okay, you get yours.
Yeah.
I'll be fine.
You'll be fine. Just stay by the bench, please, yes? Ah! There, hold on. Okay.
And then we have chocolate bars.
Really, I must say, I really love this. It works really well, this new improved landing pad for Mavic or any sort of drones. I really love this. Really love this. Just hold on, Buzzy, stay where you are.
Right close to us. Look.
Oh look, what are they doing? She thinks we got something for them. Right? Huh?
Why are they looking at us?
Because they think I have something for them, look.
Yeah. Oh, there it comes. It's just that's what I was thinking.
Come on, Buzzy, we'll go. Say goodbye, cows.
Yeah?
Look at me, your milkshake
Yeah.
comes from them.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, that's crazy. Totally crazy.
Okay, let's go. There's this yellow field, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'd like to take a little flyover. I Don't take the pad out because there's no need for that. I'm on a straight road, okay? Come on, come through, come through, come through.
I need help.
You need a big help.
No.
You're almost there. Come on, keep going. Keep coming. Keep coming. There you are. Wonderful. Oh.
Are you a little bit scared though?
Are you a little bit scared?
Tiny.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's right, Buzzy. This is how you make oil.
Yeah, she's
See from these flowers here, Buzzy. Look. Yeah?
so beautiful.
Pardon?
They're so beautiful.
Are they gorgeous? Yeah. Beautiful. On this note, we're gonna finish the video, and I'd like to say thank you for watching, and we'll hopefully be back in a week's or so time. So anyways, that's what's gonna be, right? Yeah. Yeah. Anyway.